give una the result for wetin countryman, countrywoman. The result for Mtn Elite One. The match wey cannot be played with the column. Who be there? Samuel Eto'o be there. They go best some banana too if he can't fit. So they be there for fee for look down Damba. They wait in Damba, he pass. They look the Damba, na so column, he win Canon. So Canon don't lost plenty match. They wait till they happen with Canon. Mano no. So ma give una the result for the match where they plan for Sunday. Final result, I say Canon he lost 1-2 for column for Ja and Lobo. PWD for Bamenda. He knocked Astro for Douala 4-0. Yes, Bamenda boys are backward boarding. Bang, 1, bang, 2, bang, 3, bang, 4. That's what happened. Bamutu Sombuda with the Cotton Sport for Garoua, they play 1-1. And then Stade Renard with the Dynamo, they play 1-1. Victoria United and Gazelle 3-3 for that side for Limbe. Fourth Azur, he lost against Aigle for Mongo 1-2. Now so the matter a day for other matches they be played for last Sunday for Mtn Elite One. We'll give una tomorrow the classification. How we did the classification on the final one, no, I just temporary classification.